Hi everyone, I am Danilo Punteras and I'm here with.
Chloe Lascu from ST11A4 and I am 15 years old.
So, is it okay for you? I'm gonna ask you a questions. It's okay, not too long or too short. It's okay for you to answer.
Yes, of course.
Okay. The first question is, what is your preferred method in finding information?
Usually, I just search the information I want to get online.
And the second is, do you prefer use books, newspapers, or online sources?
Usually, I just use online resources since it's more easier to find.
So you prefer online, so because it's easier to find and more likely reliable and recent.
Yes.
And how do you often use social media for your information?
Very frequently, like very often, since I don't really have enough time to open a book.
So more like once, 5 times a week or every day in a week. More like every day a week to
Yes.
use your social media for information. So here's the final part. Do you trust information from traditional media or online sources more?
In my own opinion, I think that in books, it has more accurate information than in the internet, since there's like a lot of fake information in the internet, but I just use internet for timeliness, so I can just do my homework or any assignments faster.
Thank you, and thank you for cooperating. And that's all. Hi again everyone, I'm here again and I'm Danilo. And today we have here.
Okay, good morning. I'm Iso Serna Carlito, 40 years old, millennial generation. Actually, I'm working at CCO department as a kid guard.
So, Chip, I have questions, Chip, for you. It's okay for you to answer Bisaya or Tagalog. So, the first question is, what is your preferred method in finding information? Like, unsay prefer ni mga sources para mangita kag mga information about sa iyong kinahanglan?
Okay, ang akong kuhan, para makakuha ko mga information, makadali na ko maka-update. So, ari ko sa kuhan. Labi na karon nga internet na to. Internet, social media, Instagram, Facebook. So, karon wala man kayo, awahin naman kayo ang mga news. So, ari na sa Facebook sa kuhan. Wala na makita ang mga updated nga mga kuhan yun. Mga true information. So, laboy mga kuhan, mga false information.
So, mas prefer ni mong Facebook, sir. Karon, Chip, si kaduha nga question, do you prefer use books, newspaper, or online? Sa mas prefer mo, sir?
Mas prefer ako online. Kaya dali na ito makakuha ko. Update ba?
So, mas prefer ni mong online kaya mas dali, mas pas. So, katulo, how often do you use social media for your information?
Okay, no?
Kapag like, kapila ni mo, awitan ni mo mga social media. Sa uwan, adlaw.
So, doon siya. Everyday. Everyday din ako ma-use ang social media.
So, ang final kay, do you trust information from traditional media or online resource more?
Actually, dili tanan nga kuha gyud na may uban nga mga false information bitaw na dili tinuod nga mga balita ba. Gigamit lang mga content para lang makakuha og mga views. So, muna siya makakuha mga nana nga mga kuan mga false information daw. So otherwise, na po yung mga kuha po nga mga true nga mga kuan information na makakuha ta ng tinuod gid mga balita ba. So more na akong mga kuan, masulti na about ng kuan kanang tinuod og mga dili tinuod nga balita.
Sige, Chip, thank you for cooperation and salamat kayo. And that's all.
Hi everyone, I'm here with Denise. What section, dear? Grade 5 Hope.
And how old are you?
I'm 9, turning 10.
Okay, I'll be asking you some few questions. So, what is your preferred method for finding information?
Finding in social media or like Google.
Any? Where do you find information?
Like Google or books.
Google and books you find. Okay. So do you prefer to use books, newspapers, or online resources?
Online resources.
Good. How often do you use social media for information?
3 to 4 hours.
Wow, okay. Do you trust information from traditional media or online resources?
Sometimes I trust them, sometimes not.
Okay, good. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sophia and I'm with.
Hi, I'm Miss RJ from the Senior High School Department.
Okay, so, Miss, what is your preferred method for finding information?
I prefer finding information online
Why, Miss?
because it's very accessible. You can just access information anywhere and anytime for as long as you have internet connection.
So, Miss, do you prefer to use books, newspapers, or online resources?
As mentioned, I like using online resources. Although I do like books, however, it's quite heavy. Unlike having online tools or the internet, it's very accessible.
So, how often do you use social media for information?
Right. So I'm a very big consumer of social media, but not for information. Most of the time, it's for entertainment because I believe naglipa na ang fake news sa social media. But for entertainment, yes, I do like using social media.
Do you trust information from traditional media or online resources more?
I think it's not about whether it's coming from traditional media or digital or online media. It's more about verifying the sources, the credibility of the information. So whether it's there could be fake news man good in the traditional media, for example, the newspapers. So more than prioritizing digital or traditional, I believe it's more important that we analyze or criticize whether the information is really credible or not.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Laika and I'm with.
I'm Justin Vash Tabon from BSN and I'm 20 years old.
So I have a question for you, sir. What is your preferred method for finding information?
My preferred method in finding information is, as we all use one good internet. So yeah, that's it. I prefer using internet.
So, do you prefer to use books, newspapers, or online resources?
It's more convenient gid sa online resources kay makita gid siya dito. Unlike sa books na imo bang pagpangitaon, which is very hassle. Kana.
How often do you use social media for information?
Most of the time, all the time good. Especially kung tuon ko.
Do you trust information from traditional media or online sources more?
It depends kay naa may mga sources na dili legit, like kinuha ka sa lain, unlike kanang gikan sa scholar gid, like sa Google Scholar na legit gid ang mga sources ba gikan gid sa mga professional.
That's all. Thank you guys.
Hi everyone, I'm Sophia and I'm with
Sheena.
from
CK12A1.
and how old are you?
16.
So Sheena, my question for you is what is your preferred method for finding information?
For me, I prefer Google since it has a lot of information.
The next one is do you prefer to use books, newspapers, or online resources?
I prefer online resources since it is more convenient as a student and mas easier siya if, for example, wala ka na understand na mga informations, mas maka-search ka balik sa, yes.
So how often do you use social media for information?
As a student, every time since magamit man jud og GCs para ma-inform sa mga activities and all.
The last one is, do you trust information from traditional media or online resources more?
I trust online resources since it is more factual and natural evidences.
Okay, so thank you, Sheena.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Sophia and I'm with I'm here with
Jennifer Canami,
what course
grade HM.
and how old are you?
I'm 19 years old.
So I have a few questions. First one is, what is your preferred method for finding information?
Through online.
Do you prefer to use books, newspapers, or online resources?
I prefer online resources because it's easy to access.
How often do you use social media for information?
Always call.
Why?
Dahil permission ko magdada sa akong cellphone. Masa ko mato, makakita ko sa cellphone. Scroll ako sa Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. Makita tayo yung
So last question. Do you trust information from traditional media or online sources?
I trust both the traditional and online. If ever ganit, if kasi nagawa sa online na I dili through kanang I mean kanang dili mo trust ka wala dili kanang dili mo wala kay ko ni trust kanang more something ano sa tawag na ganing. Yes, I trust online and also traditional, but dili pa jud kayo 100% trust online. Kaya naman na magawa sa online na nasa traditional. Sumana.
Thank you, Miss Jennifer.
Thank you. Good afternoon.
Hi again, I am back, and today we are with
Jamela K. Pinegro. I'm a second year industrial engineering. I'm 19 years old.
Okay, miss. I have some question for you, and it's okay for you to answer using Bisaya or Tagalog. Not too long. Okay ra. Okay ra mo. The first question is, why do you prefer method? What is your preferred method for finding information?
Mostly commonly on the students that is using day-to-day basis is Google or in books.
In books. Do you prefer to use books, newspaper, or online resources?
I often use online resources when finding information.
How often do you use social media for information?
On my day-to-day basis because it's commonly more accessible than
Okay. For last question, do you trust information from traditional media and online sources more?
I often use traditional media more than the online resources.
Thank you, miss, and thank you for your cooperation, and that's all.